Have you ever heard the term metaverse? In this video, we will give you complete information about metaverse, how virtual presence would be possible in metaverse, why Facebook is investing in metaverse, and much more. All you have to do is stay with us, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to the channel. The metaverse is the next evolution of social connection and a shared virtual environment that people access through the internet. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced in his Facebook Connect conference on October 28, 2021 that in the metaverse you will be able to do almost anything you can imagine. Play, learn, create, shop, and interact with friends in a virtual online environment, as well as completely new experiences that do not really fit how we think about computers or phones today. In the future, you will be able to teleport instantly as a hologram to be at the office without a commute. The metaverse has no single creator or definition, so it's not something that Facebook owns or is solely responsible for developing. Still, Facebook has already invested heavily in the metaverse through its Oculus VR headsets, and it is working on augmented reality glasses and wristband technologies. In September 2021, the company announced a $50 million investment in global research and program partners to ensure that metaverse technology would be developed responsibly. How virtual presence would be possible in metaverse? To understand how virtual presence would be possible in metaverse, first of all, you have to understand these four terms: virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, and extended reality. Now, what is virtual reality? Virtual reality is the term used to describe a three-dimensional computer-generated environment that can be explored and interacted with by a person. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is an enhanced version of reality, created by the use of technology to overlay digital information on an image of something being viewed through a device such as a smartphone camera. Mixed reality. Mixed reality blends elements of both augmented reality and virtual reality, where physical and digital objects coexist and interact in real time. It allows the user to interact with combined virtual and real objects. Extended reality. Extended reality, which is also known as XR, is an umbrella term referring to all real and virtual combined environments and interactions generated by computer technology. It includes augmented reality, AR, mixed reality, MR, and virtual reality, VR. Technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, and extended reality are combined in the metaverse to create a sense of virtual presence.